Hey everybody, it's Mr. Sour, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing on a package I just received the other day. This is supposed to be the Cannatrol Cool Cure system. I had ordered one. This is a nice $1,700 purchase. So, but this is the way it came. It took a couple days. Like from order, it took about a week and a half. I did get the one with the leaf tint, as you can see there. So what I'm going to do is open it up. Just going to make this a short, quick video. Like I said, this is for my YouTube channel, so any likes and subscribes on there for anybody, it's awesome. All my other content's on my channel, but I'm not going to get into that. Keep this so this is age appropriate for everybody. So what I'm going to do is open it up real quick. Like I said, it was bound, 4 straps. Cut them real quick. Nice little staple frame for the holder. It looks like it was packed extremely secure. Styrofoam top. Okay, and I think I'm going to move this down to the ground. It does have a little weight to it. I mean, it's basically like a mini fridge. Side packing on each side. Get that all out of there. Like I said, the packing on it looks extremely good, so as you can see as I've been taking it out. Way. Okay. Okay, across the top. Okay. And there it is. Secure on there. Grab the phone, take you over there. Okay, so here it is. Like I said, I got the leaf tint. You see the leaf tint on there. Sorry about that, I got tape stuck on my thumb. Get the door open here. More packing stuff in here. So you got some trays. Little box out of here. In a second, I'm gonna put this on the ground. There there's a piece of foam underneath it there, and it was wobbling on it. Alright, now we're definitely secure. So, we got some trays, a bunch of foam padding in there, then we got the box here. So, let's see what's in the box. Okay, I got some stickers, the information book, a little pen for the screen, the keys for the door, some duster. This should be the control panel. Again, that's the control panel. I don't know where the little marker just went. Sorry about that if I had the camera all over the place. But anyway, that's everything I got. So I got some reading to do. But I'm likely going to be putting it about right where the box is at in my little studio area here. But this was the Cannatrol Cool Cure unboxing. Like I said, it's a pretty neat box. Thank again everybody for liking and subscribing, and we'll catch you next time.